Breaking news. Angas ng isang mayabang na attorney, pinasag ng 2 senador. Panoorin ang bidyong ito.
The rules of court apply in the suppletory character.
I don't need to argue with you about
Opo,
that. Attorney.
pero
But you
ang
don't need
sinasabi
to,
ko lang
excuse me, sandali po. You don't need to tell the committee what the rules of the Senate
Well,
are.
I'm just
Please
citing
just
po.
answer our question. You don't
My
need to
answer
cite,
po
it's not
is
necessary.
that document is only evidence of its existence. Pero para patunayan po yung katotohanan na nakalasaad sa dokumentong yan, dapat meron pong testigo na nakakita ng ginawa yung dokumentong yan.
O hindi ba para kang niraratrat ng machine gun habang nakikinig sa kanya?
Oo nga, Noli. Nakakarindi talaga. Buisit!
Di naman kaya testigo ng gumawa ng dokumentong yan o di naman kaya yung testigo na pumirma ng dokumentong yan.
Actually,
Pag
as
wala
I
po
said
yan,
earlier,
hindi
excuse me,
po
excuse
siya
me. No,
pwede.
no, no, excuse
Ma'am,
me.
excuse me kasi
No, excuse me, Attorney Roque.
I'm sorry, madam, but I am a
Yes, it's
resource
alright.
person invited.
Yes, you are.
I
Wait,
was
wait,
asked
let me
to
finish.
answer.
Yes, you
Hindi ko
already
po
answered in
maintindihan,
excess.
Kapag gusto niyo
Sandali
akong
po.
tumigil, papatigil niyo kapag ako nag-explain.
Yes,
I thought we were engaged in
Attorney.
the search for the truth.
Oh, definitely we are. Attorney Roque, what I am saying, yes, and Sherwin.
Attorney Roque, please be reminded to respect the chairperson.
I'm very respectful, Madam Chair.
Paano respectful na nagsasalita siya? Sinasabayan mo siya.
I apologize, Senator Gatchalian.
O ayan, tanggal ang angas. Tapos ang usapan.
Deserve ni Gandang Harry.
Salamat po sa panonood ninyo, mga ka-avatar. Ito po si Noli Chanco na nagsasabing tuso man ang matsing, nabubudol pa rin.
At ito naman po si Arnie Cambio na nagsasabing ang hindi lumingon sa pinanggalingan may stiff neck.